from the works of NJERÄZIT and Agron. Born Gjergj Kastrioti, famously known as Iskandar. Iskandar meaning Alexander. Born 5/6/1405, died 1/17/1468. If we make that a whole number, we get an answer of 1309. There are exactly 139 letters of the greatest chapter of the Qur'an, the Al-Fatiha, which is the foundation of the book. Gjergj Kastrioti's birth and death date gives us 1309. The four scriptures mentioned in the Qur'an, the Torah, the Zabur, the Injil, and the Qur'an, total 1390. The greatest chapter of the Qur'an, Al-Fatiha, is built on 139 letters. If we take these three numbers, 1309, 1390, and 139, we get 2838. 2838 equals 66 times 43. From right to left, 3466, the initial print of the Basmala. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. The most interesting thing about this 139 code is that the parents of Gjergj Kastrioti, Jean and Voisava Kastrioti, were married in the year 1390, 139. Again, 139 is the Al-Fatiha, the foundation of the book. The famous words attributed to John Kastrioti, Ku është shpata, është feja. Where the sword is, there lies religion. If we take these words, including the name John Kastrioti, and calculate the cipher plus the reverse cipher, standard, ordinal, and reduced, we get 10,143, which is the exact value of the 139 letters of the Al-Fatiha, the foundation of the book. If we take the names John Kastrioti and his son's birth name Gjergj Kastrioti, in Arabic we get the code 933. Code 933 and its reverse 339 are both the codes for the Al-Fatiha, the foundation of the book, and the entire Grand Quran. If we drop the last name for Gjergj so that it reads John Kastrioti and son Gjergj, we get 635, which equals the entire Quran, 114 chapters plus 6,236 verses, total 6,350. Drop the 0, 635, same. If we take the birth and death years of Gjergj Kastrioti and subtract them, we get 63, which equals 3 times 7 times 3. And 373 is none other than the Logos. Gjergj Kastrioti was known for kneeling before Our Lady of Scutari, referring to the Blessed Virgin Mary and Child. If we take the standard value of Gjergj Kastrioti, we get 818. Take that, along with his birth and death years. 8 times 1 times 8 times 1 times 4 times 5 times 1 times 4 times 6 times 8, we get 245,760. Drop the 0 and multiply 245 times 76, we get 1862. 1862 equals 19 times 98, and 1998 is the chapter of the Quran called Maryam, the mother of Jesus. This is Messianic science, the first and the last. The Bible's first verse equals 2,701. The Quran's last verse equals 327. 2,701 plus 327 equals 3028. Iskandar in Arabic, 335. His birth, 1405. His death, 1468. 335 plus 1405 plus 1468 equals 3208. If we take both answers and add them, 3028 plus 3208, it gives 6,236. which is the exact number for all the verses or signs in the entire Quran. Pay attention to the name Iskandar in Arabic. The initial print gives 162542. That's 162,542. 162 equals 3 times 9 times 6. 542 equals 1 times 2 times 271. If we take 396 and add it to 12,271, it gives the scriptural code 679. 679 equals 38 plus 641. 38,641 chapters and verses of the Bible and the Quran combined. What are the chances of that? If we take the Arabic name Gjergj Kastrioti, it gives 510. The 679th verse of the Quran is chapter 5 verse 10, and it reads, "As for those who disbelieve and deny our signs, those are the companions of the hellfire." Think about it. 679 is the code for the Bible and the Quran combined. This brings us to the founder of the faith. If we take the name Abraham in Hebrew 248, in Greek 145, and in Arabic 248, we get a total of 641. And if we create a chain of digits with these numbers 248, 145, 248, it gives 38. Make it whole, we get 38,641. 38,641 chapters and verses of the Bible and the Quran combined. 38 plus 641 equals 679, and 679 is at the 98th decimal digit of pi. The 98th chapter of the Quran is called al-Bayyinah, the evidence. 679 plus 98 equals 777, which equals the first three key words in the opening verse of the Bible: God, the heaven, and the earth.